Can you guys hear that? Ooh, the bird wants to be part of my intro. What's up, guys? Welcome to Woodness Goodness. I am Graham, and today we're getting after it. We're getting fired up, getting that energy on par to what you expect. I heard a lot of comments from my last intro. It sounded like I was sad or something. I'm not sad. I'm happy. I think I did it because I was tired, didn't want to go outside in the cold and do my intro. Because what I basically do, it's Saturday. Today is the day, Saturday the what? Is it the 28th or 29th of February? And so I quickly film my intro after editing the video to see what I made into an episode. Because, I mean, I could make a 30-minute episode if I wanted to, but that'd be cray-cray. Anyhow, that's besides the point. You guys are the best fans in the game. I love you guys. This is awesome. It's very fun and encouraging to have people follow along. I know it's not the world's biggest YouTube channel, but it is the freshest. So guys, you deserve a little bit of a gift. I've been working really hard on, just making this YouTube channel just become more of an experience, more fun, more professional, more cool, more fresh, more organic, more artisanal, really. It comes down to the artisanal aspect of the content I'm generating. So guys, I created a new intro and just trying to make it look kind of cool, trying to make myself look kind of cool because you guys are cool and you deserve something cool. So without further ado, guys, let's get after it. Okay, I've been doing a lot of cedar siding and it's time consuming. We're supposed to get some rain this week, quite a bit, and these windows are ready to go. So I think I'm gonna do this little sidewall. There's 6 windows in total, and I'm just gonna try and get them in and see what's going on. See what they look like. So we're gonna do that. It's actually spitting rain right now, but so put a nice bead of caulk on the inside, and then when the window's set, I'll come in again and do the outside. This QuadMax is now I know why people buy those battery operated guns, because this is actually, it's like kind of a stiffer product. It's not like silicone or your typical painting caulk, but this stuff is super strong and super flexible and super duper. I got some shims just because I want it to go up a little bit more. It's pretty sticky caulk, so caulk, C-A-U-L-K, caulk. That'll just keep it. Okay, see this one now. My buddy's a window guy. He's gonna actually help me reglaze all the old windows. He said, especially with windows like this, you always want to have the opportunity, if you need it, to take the windows down. So you never really want to make it too hard to remove a window, because these are used windows and I'm hoping they're all still airtight. You never know though. Oh, that's hard on the freaking fingers, man. Okay. This is a big boy. Big boy. What the fudge buckets? This does not fit. Oh, I have to go trim this. Mother pearl. Mother of freaking pearl. Okay, I think that's somewhat professional feeling. Okay. Now, these windows are kind of unique because they're old, double hung or single hung or something windows. They're also they're sideways right now because that's how I wanted the windows to be in here. So you have a slightly thinner piece of wood, and then you have a slightly thicker piece of wood. So they're not identical, they're extremely close. I think it's gonna be fine. If you are crazy OCD, and I'm like a little bit OCD, but recycled windows, it's just the way it is, Now we're gonna see about caulking the outside. This is looking pretty good, gotta say. Oh, guys, this is like a freaking bead, as in, looks pretty freaking good. All right, let's get a close up here. All right, guys, this is for all I'm worth here. Oh, this one's pretty good too. Oh, whoa, not shabby. This feels pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, to get a nice bead.
Whoops, that was not as good. It's okay, we'll fix it.
Okay, that'll play out. Just want that nice angle, which gives you that straight line. And then just make sure you can see how much caulk's coming out. Nice and easy. We got the windows in, and now this is the part that you're gonna see, and it certainly feels good to get a nice caulk. Oh, gosh, it feels nice to get a nice bead of caulk. Woohoo! Not Brad. Not Brad at all. Okay? guys for watching this episode. I know it just kind of randomly ended like they always do, because I never really know when they're gonna end, because I don't know how long the videos are gonna be until I edit it, because there's so much to include. That's why I just ended it with some more cedar siding, because I do a little bit of cedar siding almost every couple days, just a little bit here and there, just to keep the siding going. I had ran out before, but I just bought a bunch more. So anyhow, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're just moving. I'm hopefully gonna release another episode this Wednesday, so stay tuned. All right, guys, peace.